NJ Pyro here, and I'm going to do an unboxing of Dominator Fireworks Tornado Assortment. I got this from fireworks.biz earlier in the year, and I believe this one was like $17.99, $18.99. I don't think I paid more than 20 bucks for this. That website is pretty cheap on their fireworks price-wise, so this definitely was under 20 bucks for me. Alright, so let's get this started. And you get 2 packs of these Dominator. One of them actually says Dominator, the other one doesn't. Alright, so one is number 8 gold, another one is number 10 bamboo gold. So 2 packs of sparklers. Seems we got 2 packs of snap pops. These are the Dominator ones. We got a couple of champagne party poppers. Oh, there is a third. Okay, Magnum Party Popper, 2 mini Max Fountains by Dominator. Watch me not even be able to get them to stand. Alright, 2 small Friendship Fountains, and we have this Dominator assorted J butter. Sometimes they say Dominator, sometimes they don't, but I know it's by Dominator. This has a couple of, yes, 2 pieces of Junior Cuckoo Fountains. I don't have my knife with me right now. Oh, we got it open. Alright. There you go. 2 Junior Cuckoo Fountains. We can get rid of that. Alright, Dominator cone number 3. Awesome. Large Friendship Fountain. And a large golden flower fountain. And that is what comes. Ooh, that guy's not standing. That's not good. That's what comes with the Tornado Assortment. Once again, it was like $14, $16.99, maybe $18.99. Fireworks.biz. And thank you for watching.